Very good afternoon, Dutch bike blogger here on my way home. A little bit overdressed because the rain stopped. I have a rain suit on. But guess what? No rain anymore. Well, very little rain. The camera, of course, is in the waterproof case. Just too much feathering to not do it. I feel a bike that is squealing along. Pedaling, it's okay. And guess what? I have to cycle on it tomorrow to work and back from work, and then I'm also able to get it to the bike shop because the bike shop is closed on Monday. Well, that ain't cool, mate. Well, it's a small problem, and otherwise quite problem-free life, so don't worry about it. A little trouble with the headwind. Sure how much rain is on there, so wipe it. Well, my colleague has a bigger problem at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock the heavy rain is coming. And guess what? He is on his bike. By the way, wearing gloves, no hat. In my bag because I have a cap on my rain suit on, but I am wearing gloves, normal shoes, no covers, and no rain boots because I left them at home. I left them at home because I didn't think it was going to rain this afternoon, and I didn't check it actually. Otherwise I would have slipped on some rain boots this morning. Well, the wind is quite strong, they predicted strong winds, and it's blowing quite heavily on 90-degree level of 90-degree rotation on the wind, so no wind anymore. Well, on the side. Taking it a little bit slow. No need to get all sweaty in my rain suit. It's getting warm as it is. rain suits, temperatures +6 or so, heavy wind, and doing the muscle job. Well, taking a turn here. Apart from the wind and the rain, not a bad ride home. Not that busy. So stop pedaling, squealing over, pedaling, squealing begins again. Probably something to do with the connection between the pedals and the wheel, because when I stop pedaling, it would be very strange if I stopped pedaling and the pedals were driven by the back chain gear, I have to say. So it must be something that a link somewhere, that is when I stop pedaling, the pedals are not pushed around by the back wheel, by the momentum. So there has to be some, well, free running gear or something, I don't know how you pronounce it, I'll tell it in English. In Dutch is vrijloop. Some kind of spring and a connection. If the pedals will directly be attached to the rear gear, small gear, and directly linked to the back wheel, I would have sort of like a circus bike, which is indeed, when they drive on these things, they drive with speed, they flip the pedal, the feet from the pedals, and the pedals still go on, driven by the back wheel. Well, that is not something you face on a normal street bike, so there is a disconnect somewhere. Not sure how this works. Could be a little bit technical. And only when I'm pedaling around, there is a connection in the back wheel that takes the back wheel with the pedals through the chain, of course. Probably something with central force or something. How do you say it? Centrifugalkracht. So when I speed up, that the gears connect somehow. somewhere an ambulance, not sure where. Can't see it, only hear it. I hope you can hear me. Because a little wind. Ah, there's the ambulance. Blue light in front of me at the road. No one behind me. So safely to this part. Well, not a very speedy ride. Why should you? Well, I would, but the wind is not enabling it. Gee. At least you don't hear the squealing, as I do. Still making noise. You can hear it clearly in the tunnel here. Metal against metal, it sounds. Could not be, but two things I would like to address to the bike shop, one who repairs the bikes. It's an annoying squeal, makes me crazy. Another thing, and maybe most important, there could be something wrong with the brake, and if someday I end up with no brakes, would be a disaster. When you think you have brakes and you go on continuing, not able to stop, that will be the day. Well, almost home again, we made it. I luckily did the things I had to do yesterday. I took away old paper, put it in a container, and also got rid of my trash bags. Good thing I have done this today. Yesterday. I don't have it to do it today. Well, as we speak about trash. Trash is empty there. There's an underground container, trash container, and it has to be unloaded on certain points. Normally there will be a switch or something, or a weigh scale. There's a weighing the amount of rubbish. At a certain point it's full, and probably it will get put in the route of the container boys to unload it when it's about 75% full, and put it in the route, and then they have time to go there. Time to get the trash out. The trash man. Speaking about the trash man, it's a band from the 60s. They had a song. Have you heard about the bird? The bird. It was the bird. Have you ever heard about the bird? And the guy made a parody of it. Every scene, Peter Griffin, head character in the movie, cartoon movie, shouting, have you ever heard about the bird? Put the song in the link below, or the link in the description box below, so you can hear it. Also, a Dutch comedian, when I was 16 or so, was on TV, and also use of that song. Well, we made it. Whoa. Almost fell. Gee, stupid can you be? Side of the harbor crash. Well, I'm going to switch you off. Thanks for watching.